Here's how you can start your own home business using iRev. What's up, guys? A little bit ago I did a video, I think I posted it about a week ago, talking about a program, a home business opportunity called iRev. Basically, this is where you can work with local businesses, helping them get their Google reviews higher. All right, so the idea is you find local businesses, or it don't got to be local, but it's good to start local. Local businesses that have piss poor reviews. Either they have no Google reviews yet, or they have a low score. Anything under really a 4 is kind of not good when it comes to having a Google review. So the idea is you find these businesses, you confront them and say, hey, I have a solution that can help you raise your Google score, because listen, reviews matter, right? When people look online and they're typing in businesses, when they see if they got a 2.5 Google rating, and then you see another company that has a 4.6 Google rating, common sense, most likely you're going to go with the 4.6, rating, whatever. So that's the idea, guys. And what iRev does is allow you to fix the problem. It allows you to offer a solution to these businesses, and you can charge them anywhere from $97 a month, really on up. But the best price point is around at $97 a month to $99 a month service. And the cool thing about iRev is once you become a iRev, well, buy a reseller license of iRev, you'll be able to get up to 100 accounts. All right. They give you 100 accounts for $37 a month for all 100 accounts. So for $37 a month, you can charge, just round it up, say $100 a month, right? You can charge these businesses, and $100 a month, and if you get all 100 accounts, you're looking at a $10,000 a month business. So you might be watching this like, God, like that's crazy, that's ridiculous. Okay, drop it on down. Say you just focus on 20 businesses, right? You find 20 businesses with piss poor reviews. You get them to join, sign up for $99 a month to help you get their reviews up, and you get 20 businesses. You're looking at $2,000 recurring income, right? So you're probably thinking, well, that sounds good, but I'm sure there's more to it. You're damn right. You do actually got to put the effort in. You got to locate these businesses. You do have to interact with these businesses, and present the offer, but it's well worth it in the long run. Actually, even in the short run, okay? But here's why and how to use iRev as your own home business. What makes this really cool, and mind you, I'm doing this myself. I have licenses. I have 100 licenses myself. What makes it cool is because once you get your reseller's license, you are provided with everything you need to make this a full-fledged business. You have training, there's webinars, I think every other week, live webinars, and all of these training videos in the back office. It just goes on and on, far as giving you sales training for you to find businesses. It also gives you everything you need to give the businesses once they join your service. I keep hesitating because it's called iRev, but once you have a reseller, it's white label, so you can name it whatever you want. You can give it its own name, your own service. You can call it John's Google, higher your Google rating. You can call it that if you want. And it's a powerful platform, right? And I hate to use that term business in a box, but it really is, because once you get your reseller's license, you get your 100 accounts, then you need to go in and look at the trainings. The trainings, after you watch them, you will be ready to go. And if I'm being completely honest, if you really, got the reseller license today, right? They got special deals going on right now. Of course, the link in the description. But if you do it today, right? Say this is Friday, and you sit here and you was like, you know what? Monday I want to get 5. Next week I want to get 5 businesses paying me $99 a month with this review service. I want to get 5 businesses. And you really started on Friday. By Monday, you're like, you know what? I'm finding these businesses, whether it be emailing, cold calling, or doing actual door-to-door. You can easily in the next week be making $500 recurring income if you really just focus on that. And if you sit there and say, well, I want to get 10 in the next month, and you get those 10, you'll be making $1,000, recurring. So, guys, this is, when you think about home business opportunities, if you're watching this video, this is a home business opportunity. You can do this how you want, pretty much when you want, and, just you got to put that work into it, but it definitely can pay off. Now, keeping it real, you have to really take it serious. You know what I mean? Really come up with a strategy. If you know you don't want to deal with local businesses, don't mess with this at all. Don't do it. I got plenty of other videos you could check out, other alternatives, right? But if you do not mind, cold calling, emailing, or even going door to door, a fourth option that I talked about before is you can actually get referrals. Think about people that that may know a business owner, right? That is a really great way, and that's kind of what I'm trying to focus on, getting referrals, because ain't nothing like a referral. All right, so guys, if you're looking for something that you can start today, right now, and that can build you a real big recurring income if you grind, definitely check out iRev. All right, link in the description. If you have any questions, let me know. Like I said, I have a reseller's license. I have 100 accounts. I'm actively doing it. So if you have any questions, you can shoot them to me. If not, you don't really need me, because once you get your reseller license, you get all the training in the world you need to succeed with this. So check it out, guys. If you haven't done it yet, be sure to subscribe to my channel. You see I'm giving all this content. Until the next time. Peace.
Hey, thanks for watching this video. I just got 3 quick questions for you. 1, if you had the opportunity to make a passive income month after month, would you? 2, if you can work whenever you want, from wherever you want, would you? And the 3rd question is, if you could have your own business in $1 billion industry, would you? If you answered yes to any of these questions, click the link in the description, and I'll talk to you soon.